Come take a look at this 2007 Chevrolet Colorado. Carfax has certified this Colorado as having one owner. This Colorado has just under 58,500 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 on the highway. This Colorado boasts a 3.7-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the engine, 3.7 LDOHC 5-cylinder MFI, 242 horsepower, 180.4 kW at 5,600 RPMs, 242 pounds FT, 326.7 nanometers at 4,600 RPMs, standard. Refer to the engine and axle section for compatibility requirements. Must specify, transmission, 4-speed automatic, electronically controlled with overdrive, standard. Refer to the engine and axle section for compatibility requirements. Must specify, and the suspension package, off-road. Call 800-410-1043 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.